Welcome to Tech Leveler, I'm Lee, and in this quick video I'm going to show you how to change the date on a Nokia 105. This is very simple to do, and first what you want to do is press the middle button to head into the menu. Now we're in the menu, you want to come all the way down till you get to the settings here, and then go into that. Now in the settings, you want to come down to time settings here, and let's go into that. Now here you see the clock, which you can change, or the date settings. So let's press that. Now here you can select the day of the month itself, and followed by the year. And then once you've made your selection, you can press OK. And it'll say date is set with a tick. And as you can see, it's the 4th of the 4th, 24. So that is how to change the date on the Nokia 105. Hope you found that video helpful. If you did, smash the like, smash the subscribe, and thank you for watching.